Mars, often referred to as the red planet, has captivated the human imagination for centuries. It is our solar system's fourth planet from the Sun and has long piqued the interest of astronomers, scientists, and space enthusiasts. Numerous expeditions and studies conducted in recent years have given us a lot of knowledge about this mysterious planet. The top 10 facts about Mars, including information about its geology, temperature, and the possibility of human settlement, are covered in this article. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Martian geology and surface features. The varied and fascinating geography of Mars is one of its most noticeable features. Numerous different characteristics, such as enormous deserts, deep gorges, soaring volcanoes, and impact craters, may be found on the surface of Mars. Olympus Mons stands out among these features as the biggest volcano in the solar system, rising over 69,000 feet, 21 kilometers, in height. The solar system's longest canyon, Valles Marineris, is a network of valleys that spans the equatorial area and extends for more than 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers. These characteristics provide light on the planet's geological past and current processes. Number 2. The thin Martian atmosphere. Carbon dioxide makes up 95.3% of the atmosphere of Mars, with small amounts of nitrogen, 2.7%, and argon, 1.6%, also present. The planet's environment and the possibility of human settlement are significantly impacted by the thin atmosphere's surface pressure, which is less than 1% of Earth's. The absence of an ozone layer, which protects the Earth from damaging solar radiation, is another consequence of a weak atmosphere. Number 3. Water on Mars. The search for signs of water on Mars has been a top priority for science. Due to the low air pressure and low temperatures, liquid water cannot exist on the planet's surface, although water in the form of ice does exist in the polar ice caps and just below the surface. Recurring slope lineae, RSL, or evidence of brackish water flows, have been found in recent years, suggesting that liquid water may sometimes flow on the surface of Mars under certain circumstances. These discoveries have ramifications for future human missions and have stoked interest in the potential of life on Mars. Number 4. Martian polar ice caps. Similar to the polar regions of Earth, Mars too possesses polar ice caps, but these are made up of a mixture of dry ice, frozen carbon dioxide, and water. The southern polar ice cap is smaller and mostly made up of dry ice, while the northern polar ice cap is bigger and mostly made up of water ice. These polar caps release and absorb carbon dioxide as they swell and compress with the seasons. Number 5. Martian moons. Phobos and Deimos, two minor moons of Mars, are assumed to be captured asteroids because of their strange shapes. The largest of the two, Phobos, circles its home planet at a distance of only 5,838 miles, 9,378 kilometers, making it one of the solar system's closest natural satellites. Both moons are much less massive and larger than the moon of Earth. Number 6. Mars exploration missions. Space agencies from all around the globe have been concentrating heavily on Mars exploration. A number of missions have been launched by NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and other international partners to investigate the geology, climate, and possibilities for past or current life on the planet. The Mars rovers Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance are notable missions. These rovers have collected useful information on the geology, surface, and hunt for past or current life on the planet. Number 7. The search for life on Mars. The existence of life on Mars in the past or potential existence of it now is one of the most important unanswered mysteries. Scientists are still looking for hints, but they have not yet discovered concrete proof of past or contemporary life on Mars. As water is a necessary component for life as we know it, the discovery of Martian meteorites on Earth has generated discussion about the likelihood of ancient microbial life. Current missions are studying places where liquid water may exist. Number 8. Mars unique dust storms. Massive dust storms may cover the whole globe of Mars when they occur on Mars. The planet's thin atmosphere and low surface pressure cause these storms to occur more often and with more ferocity than those on Earth. Dust storms on Mars have the potential to interfere with surface operations in spacecraft and may linger for weeks or even months. Planning future human missions will need a thorough understanding of these storms. Number 9. Martian seasons. Mars' axial tilt, which is near to Earth's at roughly 25 degrees, causes it to have seasons that are comparable to ours. The fact that Mars orbits the Sun in around 687 Earth days means that Martian seasons are about twice as long as those on Earth. The 4 seasons of the Martian year are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The temperature and weather patterns of the world are influenced by the shifting seasons. Number 10. Potential for human colonization. For many years, human exploration and future settlement of Mars have been on the agenda. Although there are many obstacles, such as the thin atmosphere, intense cold, and lack of liquid water, Mars is still a top choice for future manned missions for a number of reasons. Mars possesses water ice at its poles, as was previously noted, and it likely has water underneath. The maintenance of human settlements would depend on the extraction and use of this water. The thin atmosphere of Mars includes carbon dioxide, which has the potential to be transformed into oxygen for breathing and the synthesis of fuel. Gravity. Mars has a gravity that is around 38% that of Earth's, which is lower than Earth's but sufficient to avoid the muscle and bone atrophy that occurs in microgravity and may have long-term health advantages. Mars is a special laboratory for planetary science, the development of rocky planets, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Establishing a base on Mars might be the first step towards future space exploration of the solar system and beyond. Future crewed trips to Mars will be carried out according to ambitious proposals presented in recent years by SpaceX, NASA, and other organizations. For instance, SpaceX's Starship is a completely reusable spaceship intended for interplanetary travel and has been considered as a means of colonizing Mars. Conclusion. Mars is a planet full of secrets, and with every new expedition and find, our knowledge of it grows. Mars continues to be an alluring target for exploration and a representation of humanity's curiosity and desire to explore the universe, regardless of the planet's geology, temperature, possibility for life, or its chances for human settlement. Mars is expected to play a bigger part in space exploration in the future as technology develops and our knowledge of the planet grows. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. For more updates in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.